Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, and in this video I will show you how to hard reset these headphones. So let's start. So guys, it's a three-step process. In the first step, we have to remove these headphones from our Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel, and here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this. Again, I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon, and then I will select this Bluetooth settings. Once you go inside the Bluetooth settings, here you can see Bose QC Ultra headphones are connected. So here you see this eye icon. So you just have to select it, and here you see the last option is about forget this device. So I will select this option, and here I will again select this forget device. Now these headphones are removed from my Bluetooth settings. Guys, please note that even if they are not connected, you still have this forget device option. Now in the second step, we have to remove these headphones from Bose Music app. So first of all, I will close this Bluetooth settings. So I will close it like this, and then I will open Bose Music app. Here you can see Bose QC Ultra headphones is showing in my app. So here you see on top right corner we have this account option. So you just select this account icon, and then here you see this option of manage products. So you have to select this option, and then what you have to do here, you see this edit option. So you just select this edit option, and then you have to select this Bose QC Ultra headphones. So I will select it like this, and here you can see this delete option. So I will just delete it like this, and then here I will select this remove option. So now these headphones are removed from Bose Music app as well. Now in the next step, we have to close this app as well. So I will just close it like this. So in the third and last step, you see this Bluetooth button on your headphones, and you have this multifunction button. You have to press these two buttons together for 15 seconds. And then after 15 seconds, you will see a white light will blink on this side. So what I will do now, I will just press both of these buttons together. So I will just press it like this, and then after 15 seconds, you will see a white light blink in this part. So you just have to wait for 15 seconds. So I will show you the white light blinking. So you just have to wait. And here you can see this white light now blinks. Now you can leave these buttons. So the hard reset process is completed. Now you can reconnect these headphones with your device. Now I will show you how to reconnect these headphones with your device. So again, I will open the Bluetooth settings. So here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it. Again, I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon, and then I select this Bluetooth settings. So once you go inside the Bluetooth settings, here you can see Bose QC Ultra headphones are now showing in my available devices. So I will just select it like this, and after a few seconds, these headphones will get connected with my phone. So here you can see the headphones are now connected. Now I will connect them with Bose Music app. So I will just open the Bose Music app. So here is the app. I will open it, and then here you see this option of connect a product. So I will select this connect a product option, and then here you see this option of headphones and frames. So you can select this option, and then it will ask you if you want to create Bose account. So if you don't want it, you can skip it. So here is the skip option. So I will select this skip option, and then it will start searching for these headphones. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra headphones. So I will select this connect option, and then it will start making the connection. And then after a few seconds, it will ask you if you want to give it any name. So you can select any name from here. So for example, I will select this Bose QC Ultra headphones, and then I will save it. And then after a few seconds, it will show you this demo. So you can skip it from here, and then it will give you product tips. You can select this all set option. So your headphones are now connected with the Bose Music app. So you can select this get started option. So here you can see now you can use all features for these headphones. So this is how you can hard reset Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones, and I also show you how you can reconnect them. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.